Right, so if you're into lawn care and you want to get yourself an absolutely boss lawn, but you're just not sure where to start with products, then this video today is going to clear all of that up. There are so many different lawn care products out there, and if you get it wrong, it can be quite expensive and a bit of a headache as well, because there literally is a product for nearly everything. So this year, there's only 3 lawn care products you need. You need something to help the lawn grow, something to make it greener, and something to protect it too. So let's start then with what makes your lawn grow, and quite simply, it's nitrogen. Nitrogen is what drives growth in the plant, and if your lawn is thinned over the winter, then getting on with nitrogen now is what's going to actually help it to thicken up and to promote that growth, because the more it grows, the more you can cut, and the more you cut, the more the lawn starts to thicken up. How do you get nitrogen down into our lawns? Well, effectively, you've got 2 different options. You can put down a granular feed, and you can also put down a liquid feed too. If we start by talking about granulars, when you chuck that down, what it'll do is it'll break down in the soil slowly over time. And because it breaks down slowly, it'll release that nitrogen slowly as well, meaning that you're not going to get a big spike of growth, but you're going to get a nice long periods of sustained growth. With a liquid feed, when you apply it, it's absorbed directly into the plant and it activates really fast. So what you are going to get is a spike of growth rather than that slow, sustained period of growth. Think of your granular feed as a main meal. It's designed to sustain you for quite a few hours until your next meal. Think of your liquid feeds like a snack. They're not there to keep you going for a long time, but they're designed to fit in between those main meals to kind of keep you going, so you're not literally like starving Marvin when it comes to your next meal. But it's the combination of those 2, which is kind of the perfect balance when it comes to putting nitrogen into your lawn. So let's move on to the second thing then, and that's making your lawn greener. To make your lawn greener, all you need is iron. Iron increases the chlorophyll production within the plant, and it's that chlorophyll which is going to give your lawn that nice dark green colour. And there are 3 ways to put iron down onto your lawn. The first one is to put it down in a granular form, usually found in like a 4-in-1 mix. The second way is to get a pre-mixed liquid, and the third way is to get the soluble stuff which you need to dissolve yourself before again applying as a liquid. But before you decide on which of those 3 you choose, we need to think about how your lawn actually takes that iron in and how it uses it. It's the leaf of the plant that absorbs the iron, and it uses it then to increase that chlorophyll production. And that's why I'd never ever go with the 4-in-1 granular iron, because the iron has to be absorbed by the leaf. So that leaves you then with the 2 liquid options, which are absolutely going to be the best ways of getting iron down onto your grass. Of those 2, the one I'd opt for is the pre-mixed liquid form. And the reason why I say that is that the pre-mixed liquid forms are a much lower concentration of iron compared to the soluble stuff. And too much iron, what it will do, if applied at the wrong time, will scorch your grass. So through the spring and through the summer, going on with a low percentage of iron is always the best way to get that colour without doing any damage. And finally, to protect your lawn, again, the same thing is iron. Iron's there to help prevent disease. It helps tackle disease when you've got it. It also helps you to tackle any moss problems that you might potentially have. I mean, you name a problem, and 9 times out of 10, iron is going to be the thing that will be your lawn's solution. Because iron will help the plant to dry out, and by drying out, it means that diseases can't spread. It means it'll dehydrate the moss that can't produce any new spores. Again, solving what might potentially be an annoying problem. This time, rather than using the pre-mixed liquid stuff, we're going to use the soluble stuff, the stuff we need to dissolve ourselves, because like I've already said, it's a much higher concentration of iron. So when you are choosing your products this year, as long as it covers that 3 main criteria of making the lawn grow, making it greener and protecting it, that's effectively all you're going to need. So the setup for me this year is really simple. I've got TruGrass for growth, I've got Integral Max for a little bit of growth, but also to give us some colour, and I've got some soluble iron too, which is going to be there to tackle any problems that we have. You don't need to be going mad with 1,000,001 things. If you keep lawn care simple, your lawn is going to look amazing. So thanks for watching today's video. If you've enjoyed it or found it useful, feel free to give the video a like, subscribe, and finally, thanks for watching.